Hey, West Coast Johnny, how's it going? I picked up an old bench on Craigslist, and it turned out to be, I saw in the photos, I knew it was an old York bench, but it's actually a lot cooler than I thought. And it has the bars and the plates and the collars and the whole 9 yards. That triangle design, that's the strongest design there is. That's why bridges are made that way. So this is from the early 60s. The man I bought it from bought it when he was 16 years old in 1966, used from a friend. Check it out. So I want to clean these with some oxalic acid. I never heard of it until yesterday. So I got all the old, they're really cool. And here's the sticker, the original decal, York, Pennsylvania.